right?
No, sir.
Arjun,
Yes.
yeah,
Kahan,
hi.
kahan,
Someone
sir?
else. Oh, here.
Here, front
First,
line. What are your plans for this all the contestants,
भाई
the
आप मिस्टर इंडिया कहाँ हो
Pida
यार?
and Kira, the front row. Yeah.
अच्छा ये
Yeah,
ओ
yeah. Pida and Kira, what are your plans for this year? I mean, what
देखिए
are
ना
your
शो
plan?
देखिए अगर आप सब बता देंगे इस वक्त if I tell you everything now then I think the intrigue and mystery goes away.
You know, the word कीड़ा came because of Arjuna. Let me tell you. They said इसमें जितना कीड़ा है किसी में नहीं है, इसका टैगलाइन बना दो.
तो जब डर करेगी पीड़ा तो मैं करूंगा थोड़ा सा कीड़ा पर आपको अभी इस वक्त बताना नहीं चाहूंगा. I don't want to give it away only because it's still very early. Let's go there. Let's start shooting. I'm sure you guys will automatically start coming to know वहाँ पे क्या क्या हो रहा है. हमसे पहले तो आप ही को पता लगता है वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है.
अर्जुन राइट यार.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
तो कुमार
अरे
से चोपड़ा से शेट्टी अब कपूर. Proud moment for you, Arjun.
Of course, to get to carry a legacy forward of a franchise. I think Khatro Ke Khiladi has run. This is the seventh season. To be able to be part of such a fantastic legacy of having Akshay Kumar, Priyanka Chopra, and Rohit Shetty, I'm very very honored to be able to continue it forward with the same team who have made sure that it's been doing so very well for the last few years.
So are you ready for all the stories that are going to come on for that Arjun Kapoor is replacing Rohit Shetty, Priyanka Chopra, or it is Akshay Kumar?
I hate the word replacing because, like I said, I feel it's a continuation. Every actor has a journey. Every host has a journey as well. The show must go on, as it's always said. So this show is also going on, and I'm just continuing it forward.
Hi. My question is for Deepak. Are we going to be expecting some change in the format of the show? Can you throw some light on that?
Well, we're actually we don't change the format too much because, like we said, if it's working, why do you want to fix it? So largely we're concentrating on a new location with Arjun. 60 very different stunts, fabulous stunts. The scale is obviously going to get bigger and better. So obviously there are some tweaks and turns which I can't really reveal at this stage because those will be given out much later.
Okay, here Raji. डर का ब्लॉकबस्टर पहले वो चला और अब कभी पीड़ा कभी कीड़ा. पोजीशनिंग चेंज हो रहा है ऐसा लोग सोच रहे हैं या आपका थॉट प्रोसेस क्या है?
पोजीशनिंग इसलिए चेंज होता है with every season, like जैसे दीपक जी ने कहा कि फॉर्मेट बदलता नहीं है, उसका ट्रीटमेंट बदलता है. And now that we have a very young host and probably the superstar of the next generation, Arjun Kapoor, कभी कीड़ा, it goes with the personality of the host as well. And you will see that show में जो होगा इस बार, certain quirks, certain treatment, certain comedy, जो भी है, what we would like to do is exploit the strength of the host, and we have a versatile host this time who's a good actor, and we will see what are his qualities which we can exploit and build on it. And that's how the word Kabhi Kida. So his positioning is based on the host. Normally, Rohit Shetty was known for doing action movies, so that's why the word blockbuster came. So that's how it is.
I would like to tell you, it feels amazing कि कीड़ा भी compliment हो सकता है.
Arjun, what is your inspiration to come into television?
पहले मेरा नाम एक बार ले ले.
Arjun,
हाँ?
what is your inspiration to come into television?
मेरा इंस्पिरेशन नहीं था कि इस सवाल का जवाब दे सकूं. मैं बस इसीलिए आया हूं टेलीविजन पे. चलो, I'll be very very honest. TV is a fantastic medium. We as actors do films that reach a certain amount of people. We take years to maybe touch and connect with genuinely the population of people living in each and every part of not only the country today, worldwide, the Indian diaspora as well as people across the world who enjoy Indian movies as well. Television allows me as a young actor to connect with that audience that I genuinely believe उन्होंने आज तक शायद मेरी सारी फिल्में नहीं देखी, मेरा काम नहीं देखा होगा, एक पिक्चर देखी होगी या दो पिक्चर देखी होगी. टेलीविजन के द्वारा मैं उनके घर तक पहुंच सकता हूं. टेलीविजन के द्वारा मैं अपनी पर्सनालिटी का एक एस्पेक्ट उन्हें दिखा सकता हूं जो शायद उन्होंने फिल्में देखने की वजह से शायद they might have not felt that I have a personality that is funny, that is quirky, because I've done some intense films. I've done a film like Finding Fanny that might not be mass friendly in that sense. So I do want to connect with each and every person, and at the end of the day, I want to entertain people. And I think TV is a fantastic medium. And I realized that when I did IFA, that was my first genuine blockbuster TV event that I did, where I realized the feedback you get is spontaneous. आप जब एक फिल्म करते हो, आप साल भर शायद इतनी मेहनत करते हो, उसके बाद कहीं ना कहीं जाके आप लोगों से मिलते हो जिन्होंने देखी नहीं देखी. टीवी एक ऐसा मीडियम है जहाँ पे द इम्पैक्ट एंड द रिजल्ट इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी क्विक. And I really enjoyed it. And for me, this show made complete sense. At the end of the day, it's very important. I don't feel I'm in that position today to sit and maybe judge yet. I'm very young. मैं सिर्फ 3 साल बड़ा हूँ industry में देखा जाए तो I'm not in that position to be sitting across and only giving my opinion. I feel this show allows me to be part of them. I want to be part of being able to celebrate this show. I want to be one with the contestants. I want to do fun stuff. I want to be front-footed. I want to enjoy myself. And it's the perfect show for me to be able to do that. And that's why I chose Khatron Ke Khiladi for my first ever television debut. तू घर आ जाना बातचीत करने के लिए. ये सवाल actually phone conversations में आज पूछा गया था. I think we've all grown up watching television, watching whether it was the earlier shows that have been hosted, whether it was KBC, Das Ka Dam, so many shows that have happened across many channels. I have also been a viewer first. And you learn to be yourself. I think सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़ है you have to be yourself. मैं यहाँ पे कोई character नहीं play कर रहा. I have to be myself. I have to be honest to what I'm doing, and I have to enjoy myself because that is what will make you guys have fun. And be entertained when you're watching it. So more than tips, I think it's just a learning over the course of years of watching television. You know, as a format in our country, you have to engage and entertain people, whether it's reality or it's fiction.
Arjun,
Arjun,
if you look at all the others who've hosted the show,
कहाँ?
if you look at all the others who've hosted the show, they have had a trademark style of hosting it. When you are doing it, what is the new element that you want to bring on the show?
यार मैं तुझे बोल सकता हूँ कि मैं ये करूँगा वो करूँगा सच में मुझे नहीं पता. I'm going to discover myself. See, it is my debut. I feel like I'm doing Ishaq Zadeh again. Yes, I have a positioning where I've done some work and come, so there is an expectation. I hope I fulfill it, and I know I will enjoy myself first. I don't have a plan. I want to genuinely just go there and play it by ear. I think मैं ज़्यादा manipulate और plan करके नहीं जाना चाहता कि मेरी ऐसी होनी चाहिए positioning और मैं ये करूँगा मैं वो करूँगा. I'm young. I want to have fun. I want to enjoy myself. And like I said, I want to connect with these guys also because I feel it's a long journey ahead, and I would like. I love you too, Jay. हाँ, नहीं माही कुछ बोल रहा था. ठीक है, never mind. Yeah, so I've not put a plan in place what I'm going to do and not do, and I'm sure when I discover it, it'll come out in the show as well.
अर्जुन किस बॉलीवुड सेलेब के साथ आप इस खतरों के खिलाड़ी में कीड़ा करना चाहेंगे और अर्जेंटीना ले जाना चाहेंगे और उसे पीड़ा देना चाहेंगे?
यार बहुत ही लंबा सवाल है.
लेकिन एक ही है, नाम आपको एक लेना.
रणवीर बिजी है बाजीराव के प्रमोशन में. Honestly, I think Akshay Kumar would be the ideal candidate. He is the khiladi. He is the one who started it all. And he genuinely is somebody who's amazing with stunts. And I would love to be around him to see how he does his stunts. I've never been on set with that man. I've only heard of his professionalism and dedication. I think he would be the perfect guy for me to go and have fun with. I've heard he's he's a very fun guy to interact with on sets as well. So yeah, I would say Akshay Kumar. मतलब मैं आपको ऐसा करता हूँ मैं पूरे सारे एपिसोड्स की डिस्कशन अभी करके बता देता हूँ कि मैं क्या क्या करने वाला हूँ. जी हाँ, मैं होस्ट हूँ. मैं जैसा कह रहा था मैं हिस्सा बनना चाहता हूँ. आई एम नॉट हियर टू जस्ट स्टैंड अवे एंड वॉच देम डू थिंग्स. आई वांट टू बी पार्ट ऑफ इट. आई वांट टू इंडल्ज इन डूइंग ऑल दैट आई लाइक आई सेड इन द बिगनिंग. जो शायद मुझे फिल्मों में करने का मौका नहीं मिलेगा, इतने सारे स्टंट्स करने का, अलग अलग स्टंट्स करने का. हम हमेशा एक्शन नहीं करते हर पिक्चर में. ऑफ कोर्स आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू डू ऑल द स्टंट्स माई सेल्फ एज मच एज टाइम अलाउज अस. इट्स अ वेरी बिग प्रोडक्शन. लाइक ही सेड, इट्स अ बिग स्केल प्रोडक्शन. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट मी, it's about them. I'm the sutradhar for you to see what they are capable of. It's not about only me and what I'm going to be doing. It's a lot to do with all of us together.
Mr. Raj Nayak, so you've been launching a lot of shows lately. So is there any particular content strategy for that?
I'm paid to launch shows.
So no strategy as of now that you're following?
Obviously, we are following a strategy. Otherwise, we won't be running a channel. I won't be in the job.
You think if he gives his strategy away, won't other people come to know about it? It won't be beneficial.
But the fact is, these are some shows like whether it's Big Boss, Khatron Ke Khiladi, India's Got Talent, Jal Dikhla. These are shows that we've been doing year on year. It's not that we're doing it first time. This time probably our scheduling has taken a little bit of, we've tweaked it a bit to come a little earlier. And it also was to do with Arjun. Let me tell you, we were very keen. We wanted Arjun. And I must thank him. I have not done this before, but I must thank you. He postponed his shoot of his movie for us. You know, for us it's a big thing, and we went back and forth for almost a month trying to adjust his dates, but finally he did it. And so these were some of the things that were there. But for us, it's a question of our calendar, our schedule, our FPC, what fits in at what time.
My question is to Mr. Raj Nayak. Okay, you're getting all the big players, auto giants as sponsors on board. First Maruti Suzuki and now Tata Motors. So what's your bait to catch all the biggies?
I have no bait. Okay. I go with the, what do you say, Katora saying, जो सबसे ज़्यादा पैसा देता है, उसको वो sponsor बनता है. And they all come back to us because we give value for money. One of the things of Colors is every sponsor who comes on Colors once doesn't leave us, and that's the beauty about the channel.
And every actor that comes on Colors also does
Don't
not
leave
leave us.
Deepak sir, here. After doing the last 2 seasons in South Africa, why have you decided this time to go for Argentina?
वो मेरे नाम से rhyme करता है ना.
Actually, we've been wanting to do it in Argentina for a few years. You know, we've got 3 Fear Factor facilities: Argentina, Malaysia, and South Africa. Of course, we've done last few seasons in Cape Town and in Joburg. So obviously, it was automatic that we had to go to a
He's
new
lying,
location.
he's lying. It's because Arjun and Tina are there.
That's it. It's a great peg. यार कहानी खत्म हो गई, पिक्चर अभी भी चल रही है यार. तू क्या करेगी अर्जेंटीना में मेरे साथ, मुझे सच में नहीं पता.
हेलो, माय क्वेश्चन.
हेलो हु स्पीकिंग? हेलो, यस जी.
आपका सबसे बड़ा डर क्या है? ऐसी
मेरा?
कौन सी चीज है जो आप लाइफ में कभी नहीं करना चाहोगे?
मेरा नहीं, शादी से डर नहीं लगता. इस वक्त बहुत यंग हूँ, वैसे भी छोकरा भी जवान है, शादी के लिए तैयार नहीं है. नहीं यार एक जवाब आया था, इन्होंने भूलवा दिया, सॉरी. एक सेकंड देना, आई एम रीएडजस्टिंग. You've left me tongue tied with that. Seriously. पता नहीं यार, वहाँ जाके एक्चुअली डिस्कवर करूंगा. मैं यही कहना चाहता था. वन ऑफ द रीजंस व्हाई आई चोज द शो आल्सो इज इफ आई हैव अ फियर, आई एम नॉट वेरी अवेयर ऑफ इट, एंड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट वेयर द स्टंट्स आर कंसर्न्ड, वेयर maybe height is concerned, where creepy crawlies are concerned, where just everything is concerned. As an actor, when you do it for film stunts, you're very protected. It's only one shot at a time, or it's designed specifically for the requirement of the film. These are very, very difficult stunts, which are 3-tiered, 4-tiered in that sense. You have a lot of layers to cross. So I will also discover while I'm there which what bit I'm truly scared of, and I'll come back and give you a genuine answer about it.
Thank you.
अर्जुन,
जी
अभी सोनम ने हमसे बात की थी और कहा था कि एज अ ब्रदर ही इज़ वेरी प्रोटेक्टिव, और मेरे लिए, अंशुला के लिए, प्रिया के लिए. लेकिन जैसे इस फिल्म में आप कंटेस्टेंट हैं जितने, वो भी आपके साथ रहेंगे, तो जो शो का फॉर्मेट है वो बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है. आपको उनके साथ नहीं रहना है, तो आपका बिहेवियर उनके लिए कैसा रहेगा? प्रोटेक्टिव रहेगा या फिर?
I would like to believe साथ रहने का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि एक कमरे में हम सब साथ ही होंगे. मैं ये दुआ करता हूँ that we are all together and we have fun here. Like I said, कोई ऐसा प्लान नहीं है. It's my behavior is going to be how I was today on stage here. मैं ऐसा ही हूँ. मैं कोई I think television, when you're hosting something, आप acting नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि अगर वो नकली होगा वो खुल के बाहर आ जाएगा 2 एपिसोड 3 एपिसोड में, and the show will not work. So I'm going to be myself. I'm sure we'll have fun. I'm sure there'll be ups and downs. I'm sure there'll be situations where I'll have to maybe be strict about certain things. Maybe I'll have to pursue them and tell them you can do it. I'll have to motivate. Of course, I'll be protective. I don't want anybody getting injured. I don't want them, if they're scared or something, I'm going to make sure that I give them that calmness that you can do this. But above and beyond that, I think you don't have to be staying together or being together. We are all together in this here. And I hope to come back and be able to tell you what the strategy was once I'm there. मेरे लिए बहुत नया है यार. You know, all of them have actually been in this situation to a great degree. They worked on television A. Some of them have been on other reality shows. We have winners of reality shows. They have experienced this very, very closely, the emotion, ups and downs. Being an actor on film is very different. And I'm actually looking forward to learn a lot being on television. I'm very humbled by the fact that they've chosen me for this medium. It's a very big medium for me and I'm very excited. So it's not about कि मैं ऐसा हूँ और मैं ऐसे करूँगा वैसे करूँगा. देखेंगे, वहाँ पे जाएंगे. We'll see. We'll play it by ear like I always say.
One last question.
अर्जुन ये जानना चाहेंगे कि आपकी एक्शन इमेज क्या इससे और स्ट्रांग होगी? आपने कहा मैंने फिल्मों में जो नहीं कर पाया इधर 10-15 साल में नहीं करूंगा उसे एक शो में
नहीं मैंने ये नहीं कहा कि 10-15 साल में नहीं करूंगा,
मतलब
शायद इतना सब कुछ एक साथ नहीं कर
या।
पाऊंगा, मेरा वो मतलब था।
तो एंग्री यंग मैन की इमेज आपकी क्या बहुत स्ट्रांग होगी इससे?
यार वो इमेज आप लोगों ने बनाई है, आप बढ़ा भी सकते हो, आप उसे गिरा भी सकते हो. It's not in my hands. When you do films, you don't do it for imagery. At least young actors, I know for a fact, we are bound by, we try and do it for the material. मैंने कभी प्लान नहीं किया था कि मेरी इमेज एक्शन वाली होगी. सच बात ये कहूँ, मैं बोल बोल के थक गया हूँ. अगर आप इशकजादे देखे, मैंने सिर्फ मार खाई है पिक्चर में, किसी को नहीं मारा है. पर वो पहली पिक्चर से बिकॉज बंदूक पकड़ के रोमांस हो रहा था, सबको लगता है मेरी एक्शन वाली इमेज है, क्योंकि दाढ़ी उगा के पहुंच गया था मैं शूटिंग पे. मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था ये इमेजरी होगी, और ये कभी मैन्युपुलेट नहीं कर सकता आप लोगों के साथ कि मेरी ये इमेज बने ताकि मैं करूं. मुझे मजा आया ये सोच के कि मैं वहां जाके आई कैन डिस्कवर थिंग्स अबाउट माई सेल्फ, आई कैन इंटरेक्ट विद न्यू पीपल, इट्स अ न्यू मीडियम. मेरे लिए इट्स लाइक डूइंग माई डेब्यू अगेन. आई एम एज एक्साइटेड एज अ चाइल्ड इन अ कैंडी स्टोर. ऑनेस्टली दैट्स ऑल आई एम थिंकिंग अबाउट. माई एक्साइटमेंट टुवर्ड्स गेटिंग टू गो टू अ प्लेस लाइक अर्जेंटीना. कितने लोगों को मौका मिलेगा, पूरी जिंदगी बीत जाती है टू बी एबल टू ट्रैवल टू प्लेस लाइक दैट एंड फॉर वर्क दैट टू. सो आई एम जस्ट एक्साइटेड अबाउट दैट. द इमेजरी पार्ट वो आप सब फैसला ले लेना जब आप शो देखोगे यार, वो आपके हाथों में. सच में.
Thank you all for being here.